It is 6:10 on this Memorial Day. Melissa, the rain close to moving out of here?
Close to moving out. We got a little bit longer depending on where you are, and then we'll have some dry hours, I think, but more storms likely later on today. So what you really need to know is our morning round of rain and storms is not here to stay. It's going to be getting its sweet way out of here between 8 and 10 o'clock this morning, depending on where you are. And then for the afternoon, more late day rain and thunderstorms are going to be likely. So this morning for ceremonies and services, we're still going to be dealing with some of that lingering rain, but I really think it's going to be tapering off for a lot of those that start 9 o'clock or later. So if you have a very early morning ceremony that you're heading to that might be at 7 or 8, we might still be dealing with some of that rain, but by 9, 10 o'clock, a lot of us are drying out. And then by late this morning, we're dry. We're in the 70s and we're good to go. But we're not going to stay dry indefinitely. This is a front that's stalled out across the southeast, and along this front we have these kind of waves or clusters of storms that develop, and we're still going to be in this pattern today, tomorrow, even into Wednesday, where we're dealing with some of those on and off shower and storm chances. So we have some moving through right now. We're already drying out in northwest Georgia. For the Atlanta metro, as we get past 7 o'clock, we're going to start that drying out process. So rain right now at its heaviest down throughout Jasper County. Still tracking some lightning, but the intensity of that rain has actually come down a little bit in the last 10 minutes. That's a good sign, but still some heavy rain right around Monticello. And then also along I-20, the rain picks up as you're traveling into Covington. Rain is much lighter around the perimeter, and I expect it to be tapering off in the city as we head throughout the next hour or so. We'll take a look at that afternoon storm timing coming up in 10 minutes.